Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Staad Pro model and confirming units and load cases because mismatched units corrupt results. Once done, select the beam or member ID you want to modify. Next, open the Properties panel and navigate to the Release or Member Release area, or prepare to add a member release line in the input file. Do this now so releases are applied to the correct members. It saves debugging time later when you run the analysis. You now assign the actual moment release. Pick the I or J end and tick the moment components to release, for example, MZ for bending about local Z. Make sure you understand the member local axis orientation, because releasing the wrong axis produces unintended hinge behavior. If you must release multiple members, apply the release to the selection group or paste the member release lines consistently. Once applied, visually inspect the member end symbols or the input file to confirm the correct ends and components were targeted. You finish by running the analysis and checking moment diagrams and end forces to ensure the hinge behaves as intended. Released moments should drop to 0 at the released end. Make sure the deformed shape matches expectations, because that quickly shows continuity changes. If results are wrong, check 3 common causes: incorrect member local axes, a continuous member automatically carrying moment, or a typo in the member release syntax. Reapply the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.